guys, it's Judy here with my life as Kikay. On this channel, I create videos on product reviews, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle advice with the aim to entertain, educate, and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join the Kikay family. We have a lot of fun here. Everybody's really nice here. And if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. As you can probably tell, or maybe you can't, but I'm not feeling very well at the moment. I've had a very busy week. But tonight, I just felt like playing with makeup again. I haven't sat down and just had a good old play with makeup for such a long time. And just the other day, I got my Morphe 39s palette in the mail, and these colors are inspiring me to do some kind of artistic face paint look. I don't know what I'm going to come up with. I just wanted to sit down, have a bit of a play with color. I wanted to splash this color all over my face and see what look I come up with. So if you guys want to see me play with a bit of color, a bit of purples, a bit of pinks, some beautiful colored shimmers in this palette, it is so pretty, then you can just keep on watching. I'm just gonna let some music play through this video. I'm not gonna be talking through it because it is not a tutorial. I don't even know what look I'm gonna come up with. So you and we can discover this journey of color and makeup together. It is currently 5:39 in the afternoon, or almost evening. It's almost pretty dark outside, but I'm just gonna have a bit of a play with makeup. I wanted to sit down and just relax in my happy place, which is makeup. And you can probably also tell I'm not feeling too crash hot, but makeup always makes me feel better. So I'm just gonna sit, play some music, have a play with makeup. But before I go any further, if at any point you guys do decide that you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell because I put 3 videos out every single week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can also follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'm just gonna get started. I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, so this is the look that I came up with. I haven't felt motivated or inspired to do creative makeup like this for a long time now, but tonight I just felt like playing with color, and so I played with all the colors. I haven't actually felt that feeling in so long. I've just been feeling really busy and stressed, and actually right now I'm a little bit sick, if you can probably tell with my voice. But tonight I just wanted to get back to my happy place, which is makeup, and so that's what I did tonight. I hope you guys like this look. Comment down below if you guys want to see more wearable makeup looks using the Morphe 39s SuchAGem eyeshadow palette. It's so freaking beautiful. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Usually when I come up with looks like this, I kind of mess it up majorly because I don't think of how the color structure fits on my face, just like normal contouring shading works. But tonight I actually paid attention to what I was doing, and I'm actually quite pleased with what I did. I would have liked a little bit more detail, especially with the shading on the neck, but I'm finding it really difficult to do shading on the neck because I have my mirror here and my hands. Anyway, it's a thing. It's a whole thing. But this is the look that I came up with. This is the first time I'm using the Morphe 39s palette, and can I just say, I'm really impressed with it. I really like the pigments in this palette. And dare I say, I love the colors in this palette more than the James Charles palette. Like, I love purple pink colors, just how they all come together in a look like this. The shimmers are beautiful. I find the purples are quite sheer, but they build up really beautifully. I used a lot of the shades in this palette. I used this for under the brow, this for under the brow, pinks. I mixed all the pinks to do all the shading around the eyes. I used pretty much all of the purples. I used this one as highlight and all over the lid shade. I tried to use a bit of the glitter on the lid, but it kind of just sort of fell off. It was beautiful when it first applied, but it has since kind of just flaked off. I don't know if you can see, but it's just kind of there. It is a really beautiful glitter though. So all in all, I'm really loving this 39s palette. I'm gonna do a lot more makeup looks using it. And yeah, if you guys are able to get your hands on this palette, then I would definitely recommend, because I love it so much. The colors blend beautifully, build on top of each other beautifully. It's a go. Love it so much. In this look, I also incorporated the Stila Magnificent Metals glitter in the shade Diamond Dust. I also used 2 of the BH Cosmetics eyelights. These ones have been out for a little while and I just never actually used them, but they were perfect for this look today. I used them in the shades BFF and Chill Pill, which is this one here. I just used them to shade out the stars, or the stars. I don't know what they are, but I tried to draw stars. Give me A+ for trying. So yeah, I kind of like how this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. I hope this video encouraged you to get out of your comfort zone, to have a play with makeup, to just try and experiment and have a bit of fun. You know, at the end of the day, it's all makeup. If you mess up, you can always just wipe it right off, which is what I'm going to be doing right after I finish this video, because I can't even use this look to go out on the town tonight. But I have a bit of catch-up work to do on YouTube, and this look is one of them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! If I can get it open, I will show it to you. Comment down below if you want to see. Comment down below if you guys want to see more wearable makeup looks using the 39, using the Morphe. Comment down below if you guys want to see more more wearable makeup looks using. Comment down below if you got